Hey, most Gold IRA videos you find are long on hype and short on actual instructions, which means you sit through 10 minutes of fear-mongering and still don't know who to call. If you're over 55 and worried about your retirement savings, that noise isn't helping. You need the exact walkthrough. These 4 steps are how you move your 401k into physical gold without taxes or hidden fees. A Gold IRA holds physical gold and silver instead of paper assets. It follows the same tax rules as your regular IRA, so it's not a loophole the IRS is waiting to close. Congress approved this in the 1990s, and the rules have held steady since. If you have a 401k or traditional IRA, you can roll those funds over without triggering a taxable event. That brings us to step 1. You don't start by calling a gold dealer. You start with a custodian, the IRS-approved company that handles your paperwork and keeps you compliant. Think of them as the administrator who keeps the IRS happy. Shop around and compare 2 or 3 custodians before you commit, because their fees vary more than you'd expect. A good custodian will also give you a list of approved metals before you buy. Your next move is funding the account. Most retirees use a rollover from an existing 401k or IRA. A direct rollover is the cleanest path because the money moves straight from your old account to the new custodian without passing through your hands. That means no tax hit and no 60-day clock running against you. An indirect rollover is riskier because you hold the money and the IRS gives you 60 days to move it before they treat it as a withdrawal. Once the account is funded, you can't buy just any gold coin because the IRS has strict standards. The standard is 99.5% pure, so most bullion bars and coins like the Canadian maple leaf qualify. American Gold Eagles are the one exception at 22 karat, since Congress approved them for IRAs. Collectibles, rare coins, and jewelry are all off limits with these funds. Your custodian has the list of what qualifies, so ask before you pull the trigger. Once you buy the metals, they must go to an IRS-approved depository. You can't store IRA gold at home in your safe, no matter how secure it feels. Segregated storage keeps your metals physically separate at a depository, while commingled pools them together at a lower cost. Before you sign anything, ask about the markup, custodian fees, and storage fees, and check the buyback policy, because you want a clear exit path later. That's the full walkthrough. I put together a free Gold IRA Zero Fees guide and linked it below so you know exactly what to expect before you call anyone. Talk to a specialist, get your questions answered, and protect what you've built. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more updates, and leave a comment if you have any questions.